Welcome to my channel. Join me. I'm gonna walk around here at Lake Josephine. You can see it's winter. I just parked right there. I'm gonna go for a walk. So join me. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos, giving a like, and leaving comments, but be kind. You can see the trees look like they're dead, but they're not. It's winter. Right in front of me is Lake Josephine. If this is the first time for you to visit, you know what to do. You can subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but it would be nice if you did that. This is where people launch their boats in summer. So I parked right there. I see one more car over here, and there's another car way over there next to my car right there. Somebody's just sitting in there. This is called Lake Josephine in Roseville, Minnesota. So that's where people bring their boats to get into the water. I don't think the lake is frozen yet. I'm not gonna try to find out because I don't want to sink and drown trying to record a video. I don't want to do that. I might not go too far because I don't have boots. See squirrels running around. I'm gonna try to see if I can go all the way over there where people do fishing. But if there's too much snow, then I'm not gonna do that. It's a nice day. It's cold, but not too cold. It's all good. There's a path right there. But you need boots. You can see it just have regular shoes. In summer, people come over here and fish. Lake Josephine, it's not a very big lake. So it's never that busy. They don't have a lot of activities in summer. So you can come here in summer and do some fishing. Lake Josephine in Roseville, Minnesota. Here, airplane flying. Seemed like somebody was walking. I see some footsteps. Couple people. Those are footsteps you're seeing. Somebody came from that way. Two people, actually. Then they walked all the way over there. I will not do that. Because you never know. You might just go through the ice. Once again, Lake Josephine in Roseville, Minnesota. Give us a like, subscribe, support us. Come back and watch a playlist if you want. Let me know where you're watching from. Like either the state or the country. That's our winter in Minnesota. Take care of yourself. Spread love. The world is full of hate. I keep saying that because it's true. I hope you're not one of the people who spread hate. You can see houses way over there on the other side of the lake. All around the lake. All right, peace out.